हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप तमाम बच्चों का रमन क्लासेस की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक लाजवाब वीडियो। दिस इज फॉर क्लास 9th CBSE, सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी, चैप्टर्स नेम इज सेल। दिस इज रियली वेरी नाइस चैप्टर। बच्चों, आज मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा अबाउट द डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, व्हाट आर देयर फंक्शंस, व्हाट इज द अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर of the cell organelle. But before explanation of anything else, I would like to give message to the students. Hard work brings success in life. But I would like to request to all students, please maintain the continuity to see my video up to the end. तो आइए तो हम लोग देखें about the structure of the nucleus. This is the structure, ultra structure of the nucleus. This is one of the most important cell organelle. It is spherical or oval shape in structure, found inside the cell. This cell organelle nucleus was firstly discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. This nucleus is also surrounded with a thin membrane. This thin membrane is called as nuclear membrane. Do you know what is the function of this nuclear membrane? The main function of nuclear membrane is to give protection to nucleus from exterior shock. Here there is a little microscopic gap found between two successive nuclear membranes. This microscopic gap is called as nucleopore. Nucleopore, this is made of two words, nucleus plus pore. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के बीच very teeny holes. There is a teeny aperture found between two successive nuclear membranes. This is called a nucleopore. This nucleopore also helps in the exchange of materials from inwards to outwards and outwards to inwards. I mean that material from the nucleus goes to the cytoplasmic region and vice versa. Here, nucleus also contains jelly-like ground substance. This jelly-like ground substance containing water, carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral, etc. This is also called a nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm term is also made of two words, nucleus plus plasma. Nucleus, all of you are aware of this, and plasma means material, jelly-like ground substance found inside the nucleus. This is called a nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm also keeps the nucleus alive. It also helps in the transaction of material from nucleus to the cytoplasm and vice versa. Further, here we observe that thin thread-like structure which are uncoiled found inside the nucleus. This is called as chromatin reticulum. This chromatin reticulum, when it changes in the advanced form, that is called as chromosome. This chromosome is also made of DNA and histone protein. This chromatin reticulum, whose hereditary unit is gene, that gene is also made of DNA and histone protein. Children, do you know what is the full form of DNA? deoxyribonucleic acid, that is the full form, and histone protein, this is a kind of protein. Really, there are different types of proteins found throughout the body, such as nail. Our nail contains keratin protein. Our blood, whatever flows in our body, that blood also contains several varieties of protein, such as thromboplastin, prothrombin, fibrinogen, heparin, etc. There are various ideas related with that protein. Now I would like to focus on this nucleus. This chromatin reticulum contains DNA or histone protein. This is the composition of this hereditary unit gene by which chromosome is made of. Do you know what is the function of this chromatin reticulum? This chromatin reticulum also helps in the transduction of genetic characters from parents or ancestor to the new coming generation. Further, there is a spherical tiny granules found inside the cell. This spherical tiny granules, which is just as a grain-like, this is called a nucleolus. Here, nucleolus, it is also called as factory of ribosome. Nucleolus, it is also called as factory of ribosome. राइबोसोम का फैक्ट्री कहा जाता है न्यूक्लियोलस को. Do you know what is the function of this ribosome? Here ribosome helps in protein synthesis. Ribosome helps in protein formation. It means that nucleolus also helps in protein formation. As I think you have understood about the internal, some basic parts of nucleus, all facts I have just explained one by one. Here nucleolus, it helps in protein formation. This is the ultra structure of nucleus. बच्चों, आज का यह वीडियो यदि आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो तो कृपया रमन क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट जरूर लिखें ताकि आपको किसी भी प्रकार का समस्या हो तो उस समस्या का सही हल आप तक पहुंच सके. लेते हैं तब तक के लिए विदा. धन्यवाद.